In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a Mailchimp campaign quickly and easily. If you've ever wanted to efficiently manage your email marketing with Mailchimp, or you're simply on the lookout for a straightforward way to schedule your campaigns, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in. To kick things off, start by navigating over to Mailchimp's website. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. This step is the gateway to accessing all the powerful tools Mailchimp offers. Next up, on your dashboard, you'll notice a section labeled Campaigns. Give that a click. This area is where all your email magic happens. It's the hub for creating, managing, and analyzing your campaigns. Once you're in the campaign section, look for the option to create campaign. Choose that and then select email. This will set the stage for designing your tailored email message. Now it's time to choose the type of campaign you want to send. Mailchimp offers various options such as regular, plain text, or A/B test. Each type has its benefits, so opt for the one that best fits your goals. For instance, if you're testing different subject lines, the A/B test might be your go-to. After selecting your campaign type, it's important to assign your campaign a name. This detail not only helps you stay organized, but also makes it easier when you need to review past campaigns. Next, it's crucial to define who your recipients are. This is done by selecting your audience list. Having a clear list ensures that your message reaches the right people. Mailchimp's tools make it easy to manage and segment your lists if you need to. The next step involves filling in the from name and the email address. These are the details that your recipients will see when they receive your email, so make sure they're set to something recognizable and professional. You'll want to craft an enticing subject line next. This is the first thing your audience will notice, so make it catchy and relevant to increase your open rates. Now click on Design Email and decide on a template. Mailchimp provides a variety of templates to help you start off on the right foot. Once you have your template, you can customize it using the drag and drop editor. This tool is intuitive and offers creative freedom to design an email that matches your brand. Add images, text, buttons, or links as needed to enrich your content. This is your chance to make your email visually appealing and actionable for your audience. After finalizing your design, click on Save and Exit. This will ensure that all your hard work is preserved. Now, it's time to select Send Time. Choose your preferred date and time. This is where your scheduling comes into play. Picking the right time based on when your audience is most active can significantly boost engagement. Finally, click Save to confirm your scheduled send time, and there you have it, your Mailchimp campaign is all set to go out exactly when you want it. Thanks for joining me today. With these steps, scheduling your Mailchimp campaign should feel a lot more manageable. Happy emailing!